All right, so now we're going to make a cornbread, a grilled cornbread to go with our chili. All right, so let's make our cornbread. I have 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix, 1 box of Jiffy yellow cake mix, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of milk, and a 1/2 cup of cold water. And that's per the instructions on the box. Dump into 1 box. Dump in the other box. All right. Let's make a little, mix them together. And be sure to make it like a little well here in the center. Dump in your egg, milk, and water mixture. And mix. Thoroughly mix, mixaroo. Technical term from my friend Gary. Scrape down the sides, tilt it on the side to make sure you get everything off the bottom. Spin it and do the same. Try to get as many clumps out as you can. And that is good. Alright, so we got Grozowski heated up. The dome's saying 375. We're at about 350 right there. 12-inch cast iron skillet. Spray it down. Got it nice and preheated. Spray it down and give it on all sides. Let's take our dough mix, our cornbread mix. Dump it all in there. Now with it having the cake mix in it, it is going to rise a bit. That's why I opted for the 12-inch. Get all that goodness up in there. We'll come back and check it in about probably about 20 minutes and rotate. All right, y'all, let's check this out. Been about 40 minutes. I lost track of time. We got some nice pull away right here. Look at that. Great pull away. See how it rose? That's what we want to see. See at the center? We're clean. This bad boy's done. All right, everybody, so our cornbread has cooled. So, quick recap. Fired up the grill. 375 degrees at the dome, 350 at the grate. 1 box of Jiffy cake mix, 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. Mix them together. Mixaroo. Follow the instructions on the ingredients, which was 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of milk, and a 1/2 cup of water. Mix it all together. Put it in a preheated cast iron skillet. I use a 12-inch today. Put it on the grill, and it was about 45 minutes. Worked fork tender, or knife went in clean. Came out, went about 45 minutes. Put a knife in it, right in the center. Came out clean. She's done. Had a lot of pull away around the ends. So let's go ahead and get this flipped out and take a look at it. Okay, so let's see if we can't get it. You see it pulled away really nice. Just run this around, kind of lifting up a little bit. Ooh. Just like so. She's going to pull out real good. All right, so let's take her, flip her over. Boom. That, my friends, is our cornbread. Tore a little bit here, but that's because of me. All right. All right, so let's let me get just a little piece of it. Go ahead and cut it like this. I'm going to take just a small wedge. There we go. All right, so that was my sweet cornbread. It's kind of like a play on sticky fingers or sweet cornbread. But yeah, let's give this a whirl, man. There it is. Mmm. It's got the airiness and the sweetness of a yellow cake. But yeah, it's got that cornmeal flavor, that cornmeal bread taste that you really, really want. It's not real dense. It's pretty light, so it's really, really good. It's going to go awesome underneath some chili. So that's what I got this week, guys. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? Rock on. You are awesome. Have a great week, everybody.